an absolute pleasure to be here and an honor to be playing for all of you tonight.
A ray of hope flickers in the sky. A tiny star lights up way up high. All across the land dawns a brand new morn. This comes to pass when a child is born. A silent wish sails the seven seas. The winds of change whisper in the trees, and the walls of doubt crumble, tossed and torn. This comes to pass when a child is born. A rosy hue settles all around. You've got to feel like you're on solid ground. And for a spell or two, no one seems for long. This comes to pass when a child is born. It's all a dream, an illusion now. It must come true sometime soon, somehow. And all across the land dawns a brand new morn. This comes to pass when a child is born. Thank you. Please let me know if it's too loud and can step back a bit. Is it very loud? It's all right? Okay. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. The thrill of hope, the weary soul rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by His cradle we stand. So led by the light of faith serenely gleaming, here come the wise men from Orient lands. The King of Kings lay thus in lowly manger through all our trials, born to be a friend. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Truly he taught us to love one another, and his love and his gospel is peace. Chains he shall break, for the slave is our brother, and in his name all oppression will cease. The King of Kings is born, the world rejoices in all our trials. He's born to be a friend. Fall on your knees and hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Thank you. So, I wish everyone here a very, very Merry Christmas, and we're really lucky that we get to be here together and celebrate this season. But I'd like if we could all say a prayer for the people in Bethlehem, Palestine, for the children and the people and everyone who's caught in this conflict. This is a song of hope. No presents, and no candy, no tree, no stockings hung by the fire, no parties, and no family to greet, no angels, heavenly choir. Bells are ringing all over the world, bells are ringing, calling the light. Bells are ringing all over the world, all over the world tonight. No doorways and no windows, no walls, no shelter here on the ground. No standing and no safe place to fall, just a promise of this distant sound. Bells are ringing all over the world, bells are ringing, calling the light. Bells are ringing all over the world, all over the world tonight. Wherever you're walking tonight, whoever you're waiting for, and somehow by the dawn's early light, peace in your heart is restored. Bells are ringing all over the world, bells are ringing, calling the light. Bells are ringing all over the world, all over the world. Bells are ringing all over the world. Bells are ringing, calling the light. Bells are ringing. Thank you, and Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a wonderful night.